If you can write, you can draw.
Welcome to If You Can Write, You Can Draw. Okay, today we're gonna learn how to draw Goku from Dragon Ball using the letter L, V, simple lines like this, the letter C, and a simple shape like a triangle. Can you write this? Can you draw these shapes? Great, let's start. Lines. Two lines, we connect. The letter L. The letter L. Two lines. Like that. The letter L. The letter L. C. 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 Triangle shape. Triangle shape. A little line. A little line. Let's do a couple more lines. One over here, one over here, one over here, one over here. The letter C, C. Another C here. Maybe a couple more C's inside the ear. Couple more lines here for the neck. Whoop. 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 Now the V. We do V here, another V here, another V here, another big V here. The letter C, C. And then more. I'm running out of space. Ah! But you get the idea. Like that. And then we're running out of space, but more V's. And we got Goku. Oop. Let's connect the dots. So, L. L. Lines. Simple lines. Even lines here, lines here, lines here, lines here, lines here, here, all lines. Simple. Almost forgot about the V. See V here, V here. Oh, I need to do the sound effect. V, V, a V, a V, a V, and C. C, C, C. It's okay. See, my wife wants to tell me something. What is it? Oh, say it out loud. You've been recorded. Oh, not the same color. We shall go with she's laughing. I think that's a emotional support laugh. Same color. Not again. Let's go, let's go. Pink. And I noticed that this line is also here. Let me show you. Yep. 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 Yeah. And to top it off, My wife is recording me recording this. It's not fun. I know the hair is black, but you know I'm just shaving. So you can add a little sense of, I guess, three-dimensionality by adding extra value. And you can do this too. And now my daughter is standing next to me. You wanna say hi? You can wave at the screen right here. Wanna say hi? That was extremely fast. But that's okay, because if you can write, you can draw. Oh no, the logos. Let me write it here to remind you everyone that if you can write, you can draw, and a little secret code for those that can read it. Wait, and then emotional support.